Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today, we are going to be making strawberry cream cheese muffins. Strawberries are going to be in season really soon, and this recipe is going to be one that you are going to probably enjoy through all spring and summer. So, without further ado, let's make these delicious muffins.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding,